Good morning, afternoon, evening, whichever it may be, my friends and family. This is your friend Kelly, and I'm going to show you how to do a diamond knot, or at least attempt to show you how to do a diamond knot. Normally I do this if I'm just doing a diamond knot. It's on the end of a lanyard that I do, but if you're just doing a diamond knot, say, that's for a lanyard, or you just want the one little knot, normally 18 to 20 inches is about all you need paracord wise. Right in here I've probably done about 3 feet, just to hopefully make it easier for you to see. I find the middle. The way I do it is I have that around my middle finger. Take the right cord, I use my thumb and just wrap it around and back over. Important piece, take this and twist it and turn it over once. Then what you want to do is pull this up between that loop and take that same cord that you just pulled up between to make a loop and wrap it underneath the right side and through the loop. And what you'll do is end up with a figure 8. Just pull it through and you have the middle. Hopefully that's relatively easy for you to see. Then I take this around under, because what you want to make sure you do is it goes in behind that side of the cord and up through the middle. And then I just move my thumb out of the way. You kind of want these to layer underneath. Now you take the right cord and do the same thing. It just goes, and make sure you go on this side of that cord and up through the middle. And you just kind of want to use your fingers to help keep the shape of it and slowly tighten it. And your knot should be basically done other than tightening it. And that's the way it should look before you tighten it down. Then you just pull it through, and however long you want this portion to be, just work your way around on each side and just keep tightening it. That's all there is to it. I know I say that like that, but I can honestly tell you I had difficulties when I was first doing it, because that little flip I always forgot. But you just keep tightening it down. And that's your diamond knot. Make it as tight as you want. Now, what I'm going to do is undo it, and I'll do it one more time, so that way you maybe don't have to go back and rewind it. You can just watch the video on through, and hopefully between the two plays you can know what you're doing, more or less. Like I said, it's not hard, it's just learning to do it. Like I said, I like to find the middle of the cord. Now there is other ways to do this. Maybe this way doesn't work for you. The way my brain interprets it, this is the best way for me to learn how to do this knot. Take your right knot, wrap it around, take where this is, and twist and flip. See? That's all there is. And then, sorry, I kind of got it there. Pull this cord up in between, and I usually use my thumb to help hold it, and bring up and through. And then just kind of feed them through and downsize them a little bit. Figure 8, middle, around, under. Well, you don't have to do it around the thumb, but just make sure you're on that cord on the other side of that and feed it through. And the same on this side. Pull it around and make sure you're on the other side of that cord and feed it up through the middle. And you might have to play with it a little bit, and trust me, there will be times where it just doesn't work and it's something simple that you missed. You went over instead of under. You forgot to do the flip. Like I said, that's the hardest thing that for me to remember to do was doing that flip. I always say, why is this not turning out right? And why does it look weird? And it was because I always forgot to flip. And then follow. Make it the length you want. Feed it through. Tighten the knot. And there's your diamond knot. Hopefully this is a little bit helpful for those of you that are trying to do the diamond knots. If not, there's other tutorials out there. I think there is at least one other way that you can tie this differently. But like I said, for me, this was the easiest way for my brain to interpret how to do it. Thank you. Hope you have a wonderful day. Hit the like and subscribe if you want. If not, that's okay. I'm not very particular about making sure I get people to subscribe. I appreciate it. Like to know that people are enjoying the videos that I'm putting out. Comments are nice. Makes you feel good. I'm sure everybody feels that way. So I would greatly appreciate it. You have a wonderful day. Bye.